$10,000 was almost theirs. And then it was gone in a flash.
You've been chopped.
That's it?
The opportunity missed, not easily forgotten. But now they attempt to redeem themselves. 4 chopped losers wrestle for the coveted title of Chopped Champion.
The stakes are higher than ever.
I want to prove people wrong.
Who will finally win and walk away with $10,000?
I don't want to get chopped to this guy right here.
And who will be chopped again? Chefs, I imagine you recall the rules, but a quick review. There are 3 rounds: appetizer, entree, and dessert. Each course comes with its own basket of mystery ingredients. You must use every ingredient in the basket in some way. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will not move on to the next round. You will be chopped again. Chefs, please open your baskets. And for the appetizer course, the mandatory ingredients are sweetbreads, dried dates, red malabar spinach, and strawberry popsicles. You have 20 minutes on the clock for this round, starting now.
We all don't want to be made a fool again. Sweetbreads are the thymus gland, and they look like it. I know that I'm going to pan fry the sweetbreads and serve them with wilted spinach and make a vinaigrette.
I know how to prepare a dish. I dust them with flour, salt, and pepper. I pan-sear them to give her a nice color.
Flour, flour everywhere, flour, flour, flour. There's nothing in this basket that's so obtuse that I can't work with it. I've cooked a lot of sweetbreads in my day, so I dredged them in paprika, cumin, mustard powder, get them crisp in my pan.
So I wanted my first dish to be a play on a taco. These sweetbreads, I'm gonna grill them. The malabar spinach, that's my lettuce.
1 minute left. I'm pretty confident. Plates are set. I'm ready to win. No fear.
Chefs, show us who really wants to win this time. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Anna Maria.
Today, I made for you a pan-seared sweetbread medallions topped with wilted spinach, tomatoes, and dried dates in a popsicle sauce.
Next up, Chef Trigg.
Today, what I prepared for you is a spinach salad with a strawberry vinaigrette and mustard-scented sweetbreads. Thank you.
Next up, Chef Michelle.
Today I made for you pan-fried sweetbreads on top of a wilted spinach salad with a strawberry basil vinaigrette.
Last appetizer, Chef Sammy.
Hello. Today I made for you a sweetbread taco with the chipotle and strawberry popsicle aioli sauce.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Anna Maria, you have been chopped. You avoided the worst-case scenario, Chef Trigg, Chef Michelle, Chef Sammy. You were not chopped first, but can you survive the critical entree round? Please open your baskets. And the mandatory ingredients are leg of lamb, gochujang, rainbow carrots, root beer schnapps. 30 minutes on the clock this time, beginning now.
My plan is a pan-seared, herb-marinated lamb with root beer schnapps and kochujang barbecue sauce.
Make a stir-fry kochujang, rainbow carrots, not a challenge for me. I use that stuff all the time. I want to focus on this root beer and this lamb.
So I know immediately that I'm going to make a stew. I want to put in the kochujang and the root beer schnapps. I taste the stew, and I'm really excited. The flavor's rocking. I feel like it's the best thing that I've made on Chopped.
Last minute.
I'm confident with this dish right now. I had some free time on my hands. I'm actually tasting a little piece. I love the way it tastes.
Sammy's loving his lamb.
He's having a lamb lollipop.
I really wanted the entree to be bigger, but how many times they changed directions with the lamb has left me with a smaller amount of finished product.
Use these last seconds carefully. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Trigg.
What I prepared for you today is a Korean barbecue of lamb with citrus glazed carrots.
Chef Michelle.
I made for you a kochujang and lamb stew with grilled carrots.
Final entree, Chef Sammy.
I made grilled honey basil lamb with the kochujang and root beer sauce.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Michelle, you have been chopped. Chef Sammy, Chef Trigg, this is your glorious return to the dessert round. Who's gonna take it?
Go ahead, my friend. What do you say?
50-50 chance.
I would say 75-25.
Please open your baskets. And we have fresh pasta sheets, plum tomatoes, basil, white chocolate.
Spaghetti? You give those to an Italian, they're like, woohoo, dinner at my house. I just don't know how to do dessert with these ingredients.
You'll have 30 minutes this round, beginning now.
I look at this basket, and the only thing I know for certain is I'm gonna make basil ice cream. I wanna get the eggs, sugar, and cream together to start making my own glaze. I'm blanching the basil because I'm gonna puree that with a little bit of milk to add that to my ice cream base. I know that I have a level of refinement that Sammy doesn't, and I know that my plate presentation is definitely better.
We're seeing something we rarely see in any round, which is two people who really don't seem to like each other at all.
It's heated.
Right off the bat, I'm thinking, let's go grab the fruit. I just grabbed everything because I didn't want him grabbing nothing. I want all the fruits to myself. I want stuff that's gonna complement these tomatoes, and so I'm thinking fruit salad. Just last week, someone said to me, knowledge is knowing that tomatoes are fruit. Wisdom is not putting it into a fruit salad. But I felt confident about it. I'm looking over at the ice cream machine, and I'm like, that looks horrible. Ugh. The hell is that? I'm like, it's no way he's serving that.
All right, chefs, we are at the 2-minute warning.
I'm gonna do my little spaghetti on the bottom and a cup of my tomato sauce and put the basil ice cream on the side.
We are down to 30 seconds, chefs.
I'm thinking that this dessert is my strongest dish right now. I think it embraces what a light, great dessert should be.
Better use these last seconds wisely, chefs. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Sammy.
What I got right now is a white chocolate and basil fruit salad with a orange liqueur creamsicle shot.
Now, Chef Trigg.
What I've prepared for you guys today is sweet spaghetti with tomato sauce. The tomato sauce has got white chocolate, mint, and then basil ice cream.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block?
Bummer.
Chef Trigg, you've been chopped. And that means, Chef Sammy Davis Jr., that you have redeemed your previous loss and finally become the Chop Champion.